What makes a truck worth its weight in gold? And why do truckers from Australia to the Arctic swear by the same name, Scania? Is it all just hype? Or is there something truly legendary about this Swedish masterpiece? Some say that once you drive a Scania, no other truck will ever compare. Others claim its price tag is unjustified. But what's the real story? Today we're diving into the history, innovation, and jaw-dropping performance of Scania to determine if it's truly the best truck in the world, or if it's just riding on its reputation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might be rethinking everything you thought you knew about trucks. Let us know what your favorite truck is. Scania's story begins in 1911 when two struggling Swedish companies, Vabis and Maskin Fabriks Aktiebolaget Scania, merged to form Scania Vabis. At first, the company dabbled in everything from bicycles to luxury cars, but it wasn't until the 1920s that they made a pivotal decision to focus solely on trucks. This bold move paid off. By the 1930s, Scania Vabis trucks had gained a reputation for durability and reliability, earning their place in industries ranging from construction to long-haul transport. Fast forward to today, Scania is a global giant, with production facilities in countries like Brazil, China, and Sweden, and assembly plants across 3 continents. Scania is everywhere. But what sets it apart isn't just its scale, it's the quality. Known for their attention to detail, Scania trucks are built to last, which explains why they're often referred to as the Rolls-Royce of trucks. Their iconic logo, a griffin from Sweden's Scania province, symbolizes strength and endurance, qualities deeply ingrained in the brand's DNA. Scania trucks are known for their outstanding performance, with the iconic V8 engine at the heart of their power. Delivering between 500 to 770 horsepower, this engine ensures smooth, reliable power across any terrain, whether it's steep mountain passes, icy roads, or long highways. Scania also excels in fuel efficiency with its advanced turbocharging and intercooling technologies that minimize fuel consumption while maximizing power. This efficiency, combined with optimized aerodynamics, ensures that Scania trucks cover long distances on less fuel, making them ideal for long-haul operators. The truck's design goes beyond just the engine. The entire vehicle is built for performance. The high-strength steel chassis and robust suspension system allow Scania trucks to carry heavy loads and navigate rough terrains without compromising comfort or control. Scania also incorporates advanced transmission technology with the OptiCruise automated gearbox, providing smooth gear shifts and improved fuel economy, while the driver can still take manual control when necessary. This system, paired with an efficient braking system, gives drivers complete control in all conditions. Scania is also leading the way in sustainability, with engines that run on alternative fuels like liquefied natural gas, LNG, and biofuels, offering the same power as diesel engines but with a smaller carbon footprint. Their hybrid technology further supports sustainability while maintaining top-tier performance. Scania trucks are engineered for peak performance with powerful engines, efficient fuel systems, and durable construction, ensuring reliability and sustainability for both short and long-distance journeys. Whether tackling rough terrains or optimizing fuel usage, Scania's performance capabilities make it a top choice for operators worldwide. Scania isn't just about moving goods, it's about moving people. Specifically, the drivers who spend countless hours behind the wheel. And Scania's dedication to driver comfort is unmatched. Step inside the cabin and you'll see what we mean. The ergonomic seats are designed to reduce fatigue, even on the longest hauls. The dashboard layout is intuitive, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. And the sleeper cabins? They're not just a place to crash. They're a home away from home, complete with storage, climate control, and even entertainment options. But comfort isn't the only highlight. Scania trucks are loaded with smart technology. From autonomous driving aids to advanced fuel optimization systems, these trucks are as intelligent as they are powerful. Features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance make driving safer and less stressful, while Scania's real-time diagnostics help fleet managers keep operations running smoothly. Simply put, Scania isn't just keeping up with technology, it's setting the standard. Scania trucks come with a higher initial cost compared to many competitors, but the value becomes evident when considering long-term savings. Built for durability, these trucks are designed to last for years, reducing the frequency of costly repairs and maintenance. Their high-quality engineering means fewer breakdowns, ultimately lowering operational expenses over time. One of Scania's key strengths is its exceptional fuel efficiency. With advanced technologies like high-pressure fuel injection and optimized combustion, Scania trucks maximize miles per gallon, helping fleet operators save on fuel costs. Over long distances and extended use, these savings can quickly add up, often offsetting the higher upfront cost of the truck. Additionally, Scania trucks hold their value well in the resale market. Their strong durability and reliability make them sought after even after years of use, ensuring a solid return on investment. Coupled with tailored maintenance packages and global service support, Scania trucks prove to be a smart financial choice for those looking for long-term efficiency. No brand is perfect, and Scania is no exception. In 2017, the company faced a massive $880 million fine for participating in a 14-year price-fixing cartel. While Scania maintained its innocence, the scandal raised questions about its business ethics. Additionally, some critics argue that Scania's dominance in the trucking world has made it complacent, leading to a lack of groundbreaking innovation in recent years. Another common complaint is the cost. While we've highlighted the long-term value, the high upfront price can be a deal breaker for smaller businesses or independent operators. And let's not forget the competition. Brands like Volvo and Daimler are constantly nipping at Scania's heels, offering similar features at a lower price point. So is Scania truly worth the hype, or are you paying a premium for the name? After examining Scania's history, performance, comfort, technology, and even its controversies, one thing is clear: Scania is more than just a truck. It's a symbol of quality, reliability, and innovation. But does that make it the best? That depends on what you value. If you prioritize power, efficiency, and a driver-focused design, Scania is hard to beat. However, if affordability is your top concern, there are other options that might suit you better. At the end of the day, Scania isn't just a truck, it's a lifestyle. And like any lifestyle, it's not for everyone. But for those who've experienced it, there's no going back. So what do you think? Is Scania the ultimate truck, or is it just another overhyped brand? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for sticking with us as we explored the world of Scania. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of trucks, technology, and transport. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.